Verifying your bank account in Berner Kantonalbank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is properly verified. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents such as your identification passport or ID card, proof of address, utility bill or bank statement, and any other documents requested by the bank. Step 2. Access online banking. Log into your Berner Kantonalbank online banking account using your credentials. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to verification section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use the SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Upload documents. Follow the prompts to upload the required documents. Ensure that all files are clear and legible to avoid delays in the verification process. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading the documents, confirm your submission. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your verification request has been received and is being processed. Once you have completed these steps, wait for the bank to review your documents. You will be notified once your account verification is successful.